Hi everyone, it's Rachel Field from Sent to You by Scentsy, and I'm going to be doing a video today on our Cream Diamonds warmer. So this here is the Cream Diamonds warmer. It is a brand new lampshade collection warmer. Now I know loads of you have been excited about the lampshade collection coming to the UK. It's been out in America and Australia for a little while now, so there's been some photos on the internet that a lot of you have seen and said, when are we getting these? Well, now we've got them and we are so pleased, and they really were worth the wait. They are gorgeous. So in the lampshade collection we've got one called Parlour. So Parlour is an Edison light bulb. So if you imagine, well, this one here, so I'll show you it in a minute. It's an Edison light bulb, and then it's got the glass around, so the light bulb's exposed. So it's sort of got an industrial feel and a very modern industrial look to it. That's really nice. I know a lot of my male customers are interested in that one. We also do one called Starlings. So that has the glass shade, and it's got a tree design with some starlings on there, some starling birds. And then we do a Christmas one called Snowflake. So the Snowflake one is a glass lampshade, and it's got a snowflake design all the way around, so it's really pretty. So the one I'm going to show you today is called Cream Diamonds. So I'm just going to bring it up close so you can see the detail. So you've got a concrete colour base that the lampshade sits on, and then you've got the cream diamond lampshade. So in between the cream diamonds is a gorgeous gold colour. It's like a metallic gold, it's really nice. And then around the top you've got the metal rim, and then you've got the glass bowl that goes on the top. So this is your warmer dish on the top. This is where your wax goes into. You can see I've got some wax in there already. So I'm just going to take the lampshade off to show you inside. So this is the Edison light bulb that I was telling you about. So you've got your concrete base here, and then you've got an Edison light bulb that screws into the concrete base. So on the Parlour warmer, this is exposed, so the glass casing that it comes in is see-through, so you can see the bulb through the glass. It's so nice. I'll do a video on that when mine comes, but this one here is the Cream Diamonds. So then you would just put this over the top of that, and that makes up your Cream Diamonds. So just to show you again up close, this is in daylight, this is what it looks like. So it's cream with the diamond pattern going all the way down. It goes all the way around the back as well, so from every angle this is going to look so nice. And then I'm just going to show you with the lights off, because this lights up gorgeous. And it has a totally different look on a night. So if I just bring it up close to you, I'm going to do it really, really close because I want you to see the difference. And then if I switch it on, how gorgeous is that? So it goes from on a daytime having cream gold diamonds to on a night time looking like stars. There are tiny little flecks on the cream diamonds that on a daytime you can't see. It just looks like cream block colour. But there's tiny little flecks missing all the way down. And it makes it look like the night sky. It is absolutely stunning. I'm going to pull it away a little bit so you can see it all. How gorgeous is that? This is the best warmer I've ever seen in person. It is so nice. And I can't believe how different it looks on a daytime to on a nighttime. So on a daytime it's a lovely cream and gold decorative ornament. And then on a nighttime you just get this wow factor with it. Everybody that comes into my living room on a night and sees this says how gorgeous it is. And I can't believe how different it looks from the daytime. So a lot of you that have got the catalogue will only have seen the daytime look of this. You won't have seen what it looks like on a night. It's amazing. Just going to bring it back there. Now all of the lampshade collection, I'm just going to turn it off and turn the light on. All of the lampshade collection light up, so it doubles as a lamp in your living room as well, or in your bedroom, wherever you want it. So it's so nice. It'll go anywhere. It really will. It'll go on a little table next to where you're sitting on a night. We've got ours on a unit. We've just bought one of those big units with the square boxes in where you can put photo frames and some. We've got ours in there and it looks really nice. So for those of you that haven't bought Scentsy before, it's this warmer here, it only gets warmer. It doesn't get hot. With it being a glass shade, it gets a little bit warmer than our other warmers. But again, still not boiling. It's not going to burn you. It's absolutely fine. And these are the wax bars that go in the top. So this is a full wax bar. On the back, you've got your 8 cubes. You would just pop out one of those cubes and pop it in the top. And that would melt and give out a fragrance for the room. And it doesn't only fragrance your room, it fragrances your whole house, because the scent throw that these give out is massive. So rather than with a candle, I tend to find the scent just rises, it just goes straight up. Where with these, it gives out a scent throw, so that means that it throws it out sideways, backwards, forwards, up. It just fills everywhere. So if you have this somewhere central in your house, it's not only going to fragrance the area around it, it's going to fragrance up the stairs, it's going to fragrance the rooms around it. The whole house will just smell lovely. So these here, these are going to last you 100 hours, probably more, most of them, but 100 hours on average. That is the same amount of time as one of your large jar candles. So you know the ones that you would pay sort of £20–25 for. They're going to last you about 100 hours. So are these, and these are only £5.50. They're not £20, they're not £25. £5.50, and they last you the same amount of time. Also, if you buy 5 of these, you get one free. Now, our fragrances, there's over 80 different fragrances to choose from. So you can mix and match with your smells. We do clean smells, we do fruity smells, we do Christmas smells now, which is so nice. We do vanilla smells, we do orange smells, we do citrus smells. Basically everything. And you can get 6 of these for £27.50. If they last the same amount of time as those large jar candles, if you were to buy 6 of those, that would cost you £125. These are £27.50. How good is that? They last ages. The smell is just so gorgeous from them. You only need 1 cube. You don't need 2. You just need 1. You can even use half a cube. I know a lot of my customers say that these are quite strong smelling, which they are, so they just cut their cubes in half, pop half a cube in there, and it's a little bit of a milder fragrance. You won't get as long with half a cube. Well, you will, because you'll be putting double the amount of cubes in, but I'm saying one of these would last 10 to 12 hours, 1 cube. If you were to just pop half a cube in, you're probably not going to get the same length of time, but you've got 2 of those cubes to back up on, so once the smell decides to go, you can then just wipe it out and pop your next half cube in if you wanted to. These are just gorgeous. This warmer is absolutely stunning. Like I said, it's the nicest warmer that I've ever seen Scentsy bring out. I'm quite impressed with Scentsy's standard warmers anyway. There's not a lot of those warmers that I wouldn't buy myself and that I probably haven't bought myself. But if I was going to recommend one product to you this year as being the wow product, it would 1000% be this cream diamond shade. It is so, so gorgeous. So I'm just going to turn the light off and I'm going to show you again that twinkling light effect just before I go. I'm going to turn it on. How gorgeous is that? So if you want to see this warmer in any more detail, you can go to my website, which is www.scentyou.scentsy.co.uk, and the 2 is a number 2, so it's like sent to you. I'm also on Facebook, Sent to You by Rachel Field. So if you want to get in touch, ask any questions about any of our warmers or about this Cream Diamonds warmer, then please feel free to get in touch. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you are just as in love with this warmer as I am. It's gorgeous. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.